Did you know there are many different file types that you can bring into Canva? We're going to head over to Canva and I'm going to show you probably one of the most popular ones. So I'm in Canva, and one of the most popular file types to bring in is called an SVG. It's a scalable vector graphic. What that means is, for example, this SVG is when you resize and make it larger, it will not pixelate. Here's another benefit of an SVG in Canva. You'll notice right up here, you can change the colors. With this one, I have 4 different colors. With this SVG here, I have 4. With this SVG here, if I select it, I can change the colors of each heart. And then this last one, these are all different SVG files that I have brought in. I've either made them in Adobe Illustrator or Affinity Designer, or if you're using another platform, there is a site called convertio.co where you can bring files in and convert them from PNG to SVG. And with an SVG, you'll notice as I click on each one that I can change the colors. If you would like to know all the different file types that you can bring in and what they can do, check out my full tutorial on YouTube.